And burn them. He going to come hard and he must know how we going. See how the boy got it with him. You see the that thing what he threw around there. The other one, see? Up yonder so by the pipi and I see two more little apple tree coming up. See? See how them done running? I don't want to go away down the man. See how them got, how we got them clean. See? You can't walk go away down there. This damn bush. Yeah, don't come out of my latitude. See the cane them where you plant. I figure, see how the boy got it. You see how it coming in line. See? See them here? See the cane? I'm going to tell him must put clean round the cane them. See the cane them there? See how they coming up, see? See? In that hole. You see where you plant the cane, I think was away down the other side. You go before thing, the animal go bite me down here. See the beans them down here, see? The whole here have to clean out. Cause the beans don't run in.